Welcome to LNP Renewable System Integrators. So today we are going to see the part 3 of this electric vehicles. Okay, some of the basics we are going to discuss today. So today we are trying to know what components will be inside this battery operated electric vehicle, how the battery electric vehicle is operating, and what are the components will be there in the range extended battery operated electric vehicle, and how the range extended battery electric vehicle is operating. Okay, so as we saw earlier, in the battery electric vehicle there will be an internal combustion engine, and in the range extended we have a electrical drive. And if you go for a battery operated electric vehicle, we have a one motor, and then for a range extended we have a two motors, and for the battery electric drive we have only one power electronics, where in case of range extended we have two power electronics, and both we have the high voltage battery and we have a charging contacts for both. But in the battery operated we can reduce CO2 100%, but in case of range extended we can reduce only up to 90%. So see, what are the components that is battery operated electric vehicle? So we have a charging contact, we have a battery charger, we have a high voltage battery, and we have a power electronics, and we have air compressors, we have a electric motor which sometimes act as a generator with the help of the gearbox system, and we have a high voltage heating units. So how a battery operated electric vehicle is operating? See, in the normal conditions it will try to take the power from the battery through the power electronic equipments and it will run the vehicle. This is the normal drive. Okay, if you do any sort of regenerative braking, so this electrical motor will try to operate as a generator and charges this battery with the help of this power electronics. Okay, and what will happen during the for the climatic conditions? So sometimes during the winter seasons, in order to reduce the coldness we need heaters. So in order to operate these heaters will take the power from this high voltage battery through the power electronic units. And in certain conditions, during the summer season we need the help of these air conditioners. For air conditioners to work, okay, it takes the power from this high voltage batteries with the help of this power electronic equipments. And we have external charging contact as well to charge this high voltage battery. So this is a summary. Okay, so in the next session let us try to discuss about how the fuel cell drive battery electrical vehicle is working, what components are there inside those vehicles. So in this as we start earlier of this session, so we will try to know about the range extended also. So in the range extended battery electric vehicle we have a high voltage battery, we have a charging contact, we have two power electronics equipments, and we have two electrical motors, and we have air compressors, and we have a combustion engine, and we have a heating elements. So when combustion engine is off, what will happen? So the electric motor 2 will run as a drive. It takes the power from this high voltage battery with the help of this power electronics unit 2, and it will run the vehicle. So this is the normal operation. Okay, and when combustion engine is running, what will happen? This electric motor 1 will act as an alternator, so it will charge this electrical battery, okay, high voltage battery. Whereas if you want to do driving as well as a charging, then you can use the electric motor 2 as a drive. Okay, it takes the power from this battery. So here with the help of this combustion engine as well, so with the help of this electric motor 2, okay, the vehicle is running, and with the help of this electric motor 1 which is running as an alternator, the high voltage battery is getting charged. So when the vehicle is in the stationary, so you are trying to do any regenerative braking with the help of this combustion engine alone running, the electric motor 1 will run as an alternator and it will charges the high voltage battery. And we have the external charging contacts also for charging this high voltage battery. So thank you so much. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. To know more and learn more, feel free to contact us. We have provided the contact details. We are providing design, installation, testing and commissioning support for solar on-grid and off-grid applications, and we are also providing training and consultancy supports for the solar power projects, and we are providing design, installation, testing and commissioning, training and consultancy supports for the home automation and industrial automation. If you are very much interested to know about the electrical vehicles also, we are providing the trainings. Feel free to contact us. We have provided the contact details. So now we have discussed so many parts. In the forthcoming parts we are going to discuss few more topics regarding this, some of the basics of this electrical vehicle. Stay tuned in the forthcoming parts. We will try to know some of the new topics. So for all the parts, we have around splitted this session into 8 parts. In all the 8 parts, okay, we're going to discuss, and we will provide the link below this description. Okay, so by going into this different parts, okay, you will try to know some more basics of this electrical vehicles. Thank you so much. Let's try to meet in the next sessions.